much the home screen of the application. This application here is pretty much a anime type of application, and you have quite a lot of anime books and support which you can read and watch here on this application here. So a lot of them, all you have to do is choose whichever one you want. Let's say, for example, this one here. And once I go ahead, you can either read, watch the episodes. As you can see here, some of them, they do offer a lot of visual as it relates to these drama anime series. And as well, you can subscribe to their series. As well, they do have the watch option where you can scroll and see other anime drama series which you can watch, and they're pretty interesting, and people do love them as well. So here be able to tap on this option here. It says here be able to see all the episodes as it relates to this drama series. As you can see here, episodes, and as well you can see other trailers as it relates to other anime drama series as well, or action series as well. So it's pretty much like TikTok where you can scroll and pretty much might see something that you like, or a lot of options which you can choose from. As well, you do have the search option here. We can search for what you want. Specifically, let's say you want something drama, fantasy, romantasy, whatever the case is, it's all here. And as well, you have the canvas section here. We do have a lot of options which you can choose from as it relates to this as well. So that's pretty much it for this application. In the My section here, you're able to track who you have subscribed to. At this section here, series that you have subscribed to. If you have downloaded any one of these episodes or books, and the unlocked one as well. So do keep in mind, this application does offer a subscription, and because I'm not logged in or anything, I will be able to show you guys their subscription that they offer and their prices. However, they do offer subscription as it relates to this application here. But as I said before, it's a good application if you're into anime and those type of things. You will find a lot of anime, and they're all fun to read and watch. So go ahead and let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on this application here. And if you have any questions at all, I'm here to help you out to let you understand how to use it like a pro. So see you in the next one, guys. Hope you all enjoy.